Good morning, everybody. Lisa and I woke up nice and early today in order to catch a train here to Den Hague, or The Hague in English. We're walking along Main Street right now. You can sort of see what it looks like over here. Oh, Willie's! Sweet! My favorite restaurant back home! It's definitely the same thing here. So, we don't really have too set of a plan right now for our trip here to The Hague. We do know that we're going to be visiting the MC Escher Museum, and then also we'll probably take a stroll along the beach nearby. But other than that, we don't really have any set plans. We're probably just going to wander around town, do a little shopping and exploring, get some pictures and videos along the way. Right now, we're just on our way to go get breakfast, so we'll see you guys later in the day.
Okay, well, we had a great breakfast. Now we're just wandering around and about to head to the beach before it starts raining so we can get some good beach time in. This man behind us, though, is throwing stuff out the window. Maybe he'll do it. It's very loud and very scary when you don't know where it's coming from. Boom, it happened.
We'll see you at the beach. All right, quick change of plans. It started to rain just a little bit as we were heading to the train to go to the beach. So Lisa and I have decided that we're going to head to the MC Escher Museum instead. But before we get going, I had to say this is one of the reasons why I got this GoPro. Now when it rains like this on and off, I can pull the GoPro out and vlog with it and not have to worry about getting my big cameras damaged. We're gonna head to the museum now and we'll see you guys there. All right, everybody. Lisa and I have just left the MC Escher Museum in the Palace. I thought the museum was really nice. It was pretty small. It wasn't too big, but you could actually take pictures and videos of the pieces of art, which was nice. And honestly, MC Escher is one of my favorite artists in general, so I really enjoyed the museum.
It took us back to the 5th grade when we made our own MC Escher paintings, and we reminisced 5th grade, the year we were in class together but didn't know each other. That's when the romance all started.
Yeah, we didn't.
So that's
we didn't know
why we
it
went
though.
to the Escher Museum to rekindle that 5th grade flame. When Chris only loved Pokemon.
I did love Pokemon in 5th grade. Oh my god. All right, we're going to head to the tram now. This will actually be our first time on this trip taking public transportation outside of the train getting here and the train getting to Amsterdam from the airport. Normally when we're traveling around, we go on the trains and the buses all the time. Usually trains because we're terrible at buses, but this will be the first time. We've just been walking around so far in Amsterdam, so It's time for us to go head to the beach while the rain is still holding off, and we'll see you guys there. Hey, we made it to the beach in November. It's too cold for us to go swimming, obviously, but it's very nice. I can definitely see this being a really nice destination in the summer to relax. There's a Ferris wheel back behind us, and it's turning. So
Chris is excited. Chris loves Ferris wheels in high places so he can take pictures.
we're gonna go see if we can ride the Ferris wheel. And after that, we might go walk along the beach for just a little bit before heading back into town to find something to eat for late lunch or early dinner. So we'll see you guys back in town. Rain's coming in. Lisa and I are gonna head back into town. We'll see you there. All right, everybody. Lisa and I have finished up dinner at a restaurant called Warung Budikari. It's an Indonesian restaurant that we found as a recommendation from a blog that I was reading when I was just looking up what to do in The Hague. While we were on our tour yesterday, our tour guide mentioned that the Netherlands has a very big Indonesian population, and because of that, there's a lot of good Indonesian restaurants, and that's especially true for The Hague here because this is the city that was used as the port to get to Indonesia back in the colonial days. So we decided we'd try some Indonesian food, and it was overall pretty delicious. We were both very happy with our meal. And now we're walking back to the central station to head back to Amsterdam. And we have decided that we're going to go on a dessert adventure for the rest of the night. We're going to go to try to get some stroopwafels, which is another popular thing to eat here in the Netherlands. And then we're going to try to get some more Dutch apple pie as well. So we'll catch you guys back in Amsterdam after we catch the train. All right, everybody. Lisa and I are back here in Amsterdam now. We are walking to a place called Winkel 43. One of my friends just recommended this place to me earlier this evening, saying that he says the apple pie there is really good. So we're on our way there to go get some delicious Dutch apple pie. We were then planning on getting some stroopwafels after, but the train ride just took it out of us. We're pretty tired just from walking around all day today, so maybe if we see a stroopwafel place, either on our way to the apple pie place or on our way back to our apartment, we might stop for something there. We were going to try to go to something that's a little further south of where we are now, but that's probably not happening tonight. So we'll get some apple pie, and we'll check in with you guys later tonight then. that was delicious. The pie was sweet and it was huge. So it's a good thing that Lisa and I have decided that we're not getting stroop waffles today, because I definitely do not think I could fit anything else in my body right now. So we are walking back to our Airbnb, which is gonna take about 15 minutes. So we'll get a little bit of exercise in to get rid of some of the weight we just put on from the pie. And then we're gonna go to bed and get ready for another early morning tomorrow, as we spend a couple hours here in Amsterdam before heading off to Brussels in the afternoon. So thanks so much for watching this episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.